Welcome to an exploration of how we transform innovative ideas into real-world impact. This is all about bringing technology to life. Technology is now an inseparable part of modern life. It touches every aspect of our existence. This video is brought to you by Abdul Hadi, AI World. If you enjoy the content, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Think about the smartphones we carry or the powerful AI systems running modern businesses. Technology is everywhere. Technology fundamentally shapes how we communicate, how we work, what we learn, and ultimately, how we live our lives. The core concept we're exploring is, quote, bringing technology to life. What does that really mean? It's important to recognize that technology by itself does not inherently create value. It's just a tool. The true impact lies in transforming innovative ideas into practical, real-world solutions that genuinely improve everyday experiences. Today's innovators are dedicated to bridging a critical gap, the divide between raw technological potential and successful real-world application. Organizations, entrepreneurs, and educators are all actively working to ensure that technological potential is realized in practical applications. Bringing technology to life involves making advanced solutions highly accessible and incredibly user-friendly for everyone. Let's delve into what this ability to transform ideas truly means for various sectors. It means creating meaningful solutions that benefit people across diverse industries and communities. Throughout this discussion, we'll explore the importance, benefits, challenges, and future opportunities this transformation creates. In conclusion, the journey from technological potential to real-world application is exciting and crucial. The power of bringing technology to life holds immense promise for both business innovation and societal advancement. Thank you for watching this presentation from Abdul Hadi AI World. Please like, subscribe, and share to stay updated on more insights into technology and innovation.